In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are constant companions. Meditation, once niche, has gone mainstream. From corporate offices to schools, people are incorporating meditation into their routines. This surge is driven by the profound benefits meditation offers for both mind and body. At its core, meditation trains the mind to focus and redirect thoughts, cultivating inner peace. Among these practices, Isha Kriya meditation stands out for its simplicity and impact. Meditation's popularity is backed by scientific evidence. Studies show it reduces stress, improves sleep, enhances focus, and boosts the immune system. Meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation. It also impacts mental and emotional well-being, fostering clarity and self-awareness. Meditation helps us respond to life's challenges with resilience. Isha Kriya is a transformative practice that unlocks hidden potential. In today's hyper-connected world, finding peace can seem impossible. Meditation provides an anchor to quiet the external noise and reconnect with inner stillness. Its benefits extend beyond practice, improving relationships, focus, and resilience. Isha Kriya meditation offers a powerful path to self-discovery and inner peace. This practice transforms life from the inside out, revealing peace and fulfillment. Embark on this journey to unlock your true potential. Isha Kriya offers profound inner transformation. Rooted in ancient yogic sciences, it combines breath, thought, and awareness. Designed for the modern world, it's simple and accessible. Isha Kriya transforms us from within, breaking free from limitations. Regular practice shifts our perception, leading to a boundless experience of life. This journey empowers us to cultivate well-being and live with purpose. Isha Kriya weaves together breath, thought, and awareness. Breath anchors attention inward, calming the mind. Empowering thoughts shift perception, creating freedom. Awareness connects breath and thought, fostering presence. This practice cultivates inner peace and clarity. Observe thoughts and emotions with detached awareness, maintaining inner peace. Isha Kriya is accessible and time-efficient. Its short duration fits into demanding schedules. Despite its simplicity, it offers profound benefits. Regular practice reduces stress, improves sleep, and enhances focus. It shifts perception, leading to greater well-being and joy. Isha Kriya's ripple effect positively impacts relationships and communities. Isha Kriya's power lies in commitment and consistency. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Challenges are opportunities for growth. Embrace them with patience and compassion. The practice awakens our true nature, shifting perception. Consistent practice unlocks profound peace and fulfillment. Create a conducive environment for meditation. Find a quiet space, clear clutter, and enhance ambiance. Approach practice with reverence and respect. Let go of expectations and be present. A peaceful space reflects inner stillness. Cultivate receptivity for the practice's full potential. Physical posture is crucial for meditation. Sit cross-legged or on a chair, maintaining a natural alignment. Rest hands on thighs, palms up, symbolizing receptivity. Find a comfortable, stable posture. Notice and relax areas of tension. A grounded body allows inward focus. Facing east symbolizes new beginnings and energy flow. If possible, face east during Isha Kriya. Aligning with the Earth's magnetic field enhances energy flow. Imagine the rising sun infusing you with energy. Set the intention to connect with the East's energy. Approach this alignment with reverence, enhancing practice depth. Direct gaze inward to the third eye, calming the mind. Shambhavi Mudra enhances concentration and intuition. Gently lift eyes towards the space between eyebrows. Keep gaze soft and relaxed or visualize the point. This technique fosters inner stillness and clarity. Use the gentle gaze as an anchor for attention, preparing for Isha Kriya. Our breath becomes a guiding force connecting the physical and subtle realms. Sitting comfortably, we turn inward, gently closing our eyes and become aware of our breath. Simply observe its natural flow, the gentle rise and fall of the abdomen. Minds may wander, this is natural. Guide attention back to the breath without judgment. The breath serves as an anchor, creating inner stillness. Notice its subtle qualities. Is the breath long or short, deep or shallow? Observe without trying to change. Conscious breathing calms the nervous system and reduces stress. Create a space of inner peace, allowing Isha Kriya to unfold. With each inhalation, we silently repeat the affirmation, "I am not the body." This statement helps us disidentify from the limitations of our physical form. Our true nature extends beyond the physical shell we inhabit. Observe thoughts with detached awareness, recognizing them as passing mental formations. This process is about recognizing we are not defined by our physical attributes. By releasing attachment to the body, we open ourselves to a more expansive experience of self. With each exhalation, silently repeat, "I am not even the mind." Our true nature transcends thoughts, emotions, and mental patterns. We are the awareness that observes both. The mind can be a source of suffering when we identify with its chatter. Recognizing we are not our minds creates inner peace and equanimity. Observe thoughts without judgment, allowing them to pass like clouds. Cultivating detachment creates inner freedom and peace. As we breathe consciously, repeating affirmations, we cultivate detached awareness, being present without judgment or attachment. This awareness is our natural state, often obscured by the mind's chatter and our identification with thoughts and emotions. When the mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breath and affirmations without self-criticism. Observe thoughts, emotions, and sensations as passing phenomena like clouds moving across the sky. This practice of detached awareness brings peace and freedom, rooting us in the present moment. Having spent the initial stage of Isha Kriya cultivating awareness through the breath and affirmations, we now transition to the second stage, where sound becomes our primary tool. This shift marks a subtle yet significant progression, guiding us inward, beyond thoughts towards a more energetic experience. Maintain the same quality of detached awareness. Simply observe mental fluctuations with gentle awareness. The sacred sound, ah, has transformative potential. Approach this phase with openness and curiosity. At the heart of Isha Kriya lies the sacred sound ah, revered for its transformative qualities. This potent sound, when chanted with awareness, resonates deeply, activating energy centers and shifting consciousness. AA aligns with the universe's rhythms and our energetic systems. Associated with the heart chakra, it awakens love, healing, and expansion. Chanting ah 7 times directs vibrations to the heart center. The sound bridges our physical and subtle energy bodies, promoting well-being and inner peace. Uttering the sound ah from just below the navel holds profound significance in yogic traditions. This area, known as the Manipura chakra, is a vital energy center associated with willpower and vitality. By initiating the sound from this center, we amplify its energy and stimulate the flow of prana. This practice awakens our inner strength and capacity for action. As you chant ah, bring your awareness to the area just below your navel. Visualize the sound radiating outward, encompassing your entire being. The act of exhaling fully after each utterance of the sound AAA is just as important as the sound itself. With each exhalation, we consciously release any tension, stagnation, or energetic blockages that may be hindering our progress on the path of inner transformation. The breath becomes a tool for purification, for letting go of anything that no longer serves us. As you exhale, imagine releasing any stress, anxiety, negative emotions, or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Visualize these unwanted energies leaving your body with each breath, creating space for peace, clarity, and renewed vitality to emerge. This process of releasing with each exhalation can be both physical and emotional. You may notice physical tension melting away from your shoulders, your jaw, or your abdomen. You may also experience an emotional release, a sense of letting go of old patterns, limiting beliefs, or past hurts that have been weighing you down. As you continue this practice, observe the natural rhythm of chanting the sound and exhaling fully. Allow yourself to surrender to the process, trusting in the innate wisdom of your body and the transformative power of this ancient practice. With each repetition, you are creating space for greater peace, clarity, and freedom to emerge from within. Having moved through the active phases of Isha Kriya, we now arrive at the final stage, a profound space of stillness and integration. This stage, while seemingly passive, is where the true essence of the practice unfolds. Simply rest in the stillness, observing whatever arises without judgment or attachment. This stage is often likened to the stillness that follows a storm, where the waters have calmed and a sense of peace pervades the atmosphere. The true beauty lies in resting in the space between our thoughts, where the mind is quiet and stillness prevails. These gaps may be fleeting at first, but with practice, they expand, revealing boundless peace within. In stillness, we feel connected to something greater than ourselves. This state of awareness is our natural state, often obscured by the mind's activity. By practicing, we peel away layers of conditioning, revealing our true, peaceful nature. Surrender to the stillness, be present, and witness your inner awakening. Section 3. Integrating the experience. Carrying the stillness within. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the expansion and contraction. When ready, slowly open your eyes, allowing your gaze to soften. Savor the stillness, integrating the experience into every cell. Carry this sense of peace and stillness with you. Be more present, patient, and appreciative of simple joys. Peace is a state of being cultivated from within. Section 1. The ripple effect of transformation, from individual to collective. The practice of Isha Kriya, while deeply personal, has the potential to create a ripple effect, extending its transformative power far beyond the individual practitioner. As we cultivate inner peace, clarity, and well-being, we naturally begin to radiate those qualities outward, positively impacting our relationships, our communities, and the world around us. When we approach life from a place of inner peace, we are less likely to react to situations with stress, anger, or frustration. Our interactions with others become more harmonious, more compassionate, and more understanding. We become beacons of peace in a world often characterized by conflict and division. This shift in consciousness extends beyond our immediate circle, influencing the collective energy field. As more and more individuals embrace practices like Isha Kriya, a critical mass of consciousness is reached, creating a more peaceful, loving, and harmonious world for all. Remember, the journey of transformation is not a solitary endeavor. As we awaken to our true potential, we naturally inspire others to do the same. By sharing our experiences, our insights, and our commitment to inner growth, we create a web of interconnectedness that supports the collective awakening of humanity. Embracing the ongoing practice. The transformative power of Isha Kriya unfolds gradually with consistent practice. True transformation is an ongoing process. There may be moments of insight, growth, and times when the practice feels challenging. Approach the practice with patience and compassion, recognizing that inner growth is rarely linear. Embrace each experience as part of the journey. Consistency is key. Like a gardener nurturing plants, approach your practice with dedication. Even a few minutes daily can transform your inner landscape. Remember, the journey itself is the destination. Section 3. Unlock your potential. The invitation to embrace Isha Kriya. In a world often characterized by chaos, stress, and uncertainty, Isha Kriya offers a sanctuary, a path to inner peace, clarity, and well-being. This simple yet profound practice empowers you to take control of your inner world, to transcend the limitations of your mind and body, and to experience the boundless potential that lies within you. Whether you are seeking to manage stress, improve focus, deepen your self-awareness, or simply experience greater peace and joy in your life, Isha Kriya offers a powerful and accessible path. It's a gift you can give yourself, a tool for transformation that can be practiced anytime, anywhere, without requiring any special equipment or prior experience. The invitation is simple. Embrace the practice of Isha Kriya, make it a part of your daily life, and witness the transformative power it unfolds within you. As you commit to the practice, you will discover a wellspring of peace, clarity, and joy that has always resided within, waiting to be revealed. Unlock your potential. Embrace the journey. The path to inner transformation awaits.